Hello, we were in Photoshop. We are going to take different shapes there. It's an elliptical shape we have and keep on editing, generate these designs. So let's take a further shape. There is the other shape we can collect. We will use the paint into it. So still we have to take that shape. Then try to make the paint. There is the other one. I will take it. It's a shape here. Thank you for watching my video.